On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What is going on? Otter gang. What's going on, everybody? Let's go. It's a holiday. It's a holiday, and we are here. We show up, man. We show up. Are we long, everybody? I'm long. You want me to tell you why I went long? Sniper's Nightmare is going to think this funny. Because someone posted this morning that they were short in our Discord. That's not even lying. Like, I wish I was lying. Is that bad? Is that bad? Sometimes, like, it's like, oh, okay. I'm gonna go the opposite way. Is that bad? I think that's bad. Maybe it's, you shouldn't counter trade your community, but I mean, it was right there. It was right there. I'm bad. You guys can give me trouble. I'm sick. I'm sick as a dog. I don't know how I got sick again. Snotter gang. We got throat lozenges. These are not Quaaludes, I promise. I'm long. I'm mostly out of this trade though. Not gonna lie. Okay. So Billy tells me I have to explain why I took the trade. Okay, so I'm sorry, Geronimo. I'm sorry, man. I saw this in the Discord. Okay. I'm not saying I took the trade right away. Okay. I see bullish divergence. I see exhaustion at the bottom of a range. I see a sweep of the lows in here. Getting bought up. Trying to make a higher high, equal highs. So we got divs. We got break down retest. We got VWAP above us. So it's a little scalp. I mean, accumulation in here. And a nice little whoop. Pretty easy. I love coming to the like charts in the morning and just make a quick $100. You know, that's kind of like, Yeah. Anyways, Got lots to go over here because we've moved so far all over the all over the crypto world here. I explained to Billy. Good morning, Billy. Good to see you, bro. I got my my Otter Gang mug. Okay. We got the Otter Gang mug. So I now get to drink out of all of your people, fuzzy, beautiful, marsupial, sexy otters. I got my new Otter Gang embroidered hoodie. Ooh, it pops, baby. It pops. It's nice. That's Piper. The quality, actually, I really like the quality on this one here. And it's just like, you know, anybody could wear it. You don't have to have a big picture of all the otters on your back. I moved myself. I made myself grow too much now. Oops. Why can't I move myself? Video capture device. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning to everyone. I'd love to see how your trading week has gone. Some of you are up. Some of you are down. Good morning, Clay. Albert. Good morning, Muckin. Good to see you, Soak. John Foster Crypto. Tony Soprano, what's going on, bro? How you doing? How you doing? I closed the trade out. Only $60, guys. Only $60, sorry. I didn't put a lot of money on it. Didn't put a lot of money on it. Quick 60. GG's. I mean, we got dinner paid for now. In Canada, you only have your appetizer paid for because of inflation here. But that's okay. It's a good start. I'm sorry if I don't talk as much today. I will try, as usual. I'd like to say good morning to everybody. Bitcoin's in a range. So everyone who shows up early, I do appreciate you showing up early. We got a VWAP slap going on right now. The 1 hour is looking a little bit pushy. It can push back up, but everything else is looking down, okay? Especially the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks bearish AF. We got 3 drives up in here. Boop, boop, boop. Okay? This can be very detrimental if it does want to roll over. Okay, so watch that 4 hour this weekend. Could bring us down, okay? The 1 hour, there's a bit of hopium here. The 12 hour, there's no hopium. We got the dreaded camel toe up at the top here. So that can roll over quite easily. And the daily is starting to get overextended. So it's not looking good for the weekend. Anybody take the VWAP slap? Let me know if you took the VWAP slap. I mean, right now you're retesting previous highs, right? So you've changed structure here. Retest previous highs, continuation. So be careful with that VWAP slap right now. Golden pocket right here. So be aware of that. I still think we need to come to 82.7. Trader Geo and I were talking about 82.7. It's like, why would you come all the way here? It's like going to your uncle's house that's 5 hours away to say hello. And then you turn around when you get to the gas station beside his house, you know? Don't make sense. But not a lot of this price action does make sense because it's very uncertain. Remember that. It's very uncertain. Even down at the lows of the lows in here. We drove to Uncle Billy's house here. We were driving all the way to Uncle Billy's house here. Driving. We're right beside his house. The gas station that he owns beside his house. And then it's just like, oh man, I'm gonna go home. So it's been a bit funky lately, everybody. So what does that mean? You got to use good risk management, manage your position size, because position size matters, and use less margin. I would suggest trading 60% less, or 60% of the normal margin that you do typically trade. Just a thought. Ugh. So good morning, everybody. Donato Cabrera. What's going on, my man? Karis, good morning to you. Crypto Billy, my man. Apologies. Snotter, gang. Every time I blow my nose, I guess I got to say that now. Call me Dave, Andrew Cameron. Good morning to you guys. Thank you for being here. Zena, thank you for the pink hand splashy guitars. HFG, JRMO. Germo. I'm just going to call you Germo. It's hard to say JRMO. It's a mouthful, man. Addy, BC, Quick Smoker, Crypto Same. Good morning, everybody. Good to see you guys here. Thank you for being here. Joe Ruiz, BC. My guys, good to see you. Tony Soprano, Al Jr. Happy Friday, y'all. Happy long weekend, everybody. God bless every single one of you. Happy Easter. Jesus loves you, okay? That's as far as I'm going to go with that. Drop the Spotify link. Is that for the tune? I don't have it on Spotify. Maybe I should put it on Spotify so you guys can all jam to it. Kick and Wig, good morning. Shima, good morning. Dan Bartley, my man, good morning. How's it going, bro? French Toaster, absolute legend, man. Kasim, good morning. James Simpson, good morning. Good to see you, Massey, Soak, Sonny, good morning. Army Piper, Luke, Dex, Sniper's Nightmare, John Foster, Longy, Slavo, good morning. Sebas. I'm doing okay, man. I'm doing okay. You know, it's nice to have friends. I work with Army Piper and OC Guy and Tom Crown, and they all gave me the day off yesterday because my when you're talking all day long, it makes for a long day, especially with a sore throat. So they cover, you know? That's cool, man. I did appreciate that. That really it's very kind of you. I appreciate that. XR, good morning. Snipers. Board PC Jazz. What's up, chaps? Chaps, okay. Crypto Rob, good morning. Hanseku, good morning. You're long on gold. Good job, man. Today is a holiday. Suleiman. So there's no stock market today. Buck, good morning, Chili's. Army Piper. It's a good mug, eh? It's a pretty good size. Like, I know I'm not a big guy, but I like it. French Toaster Empire, good to see you. Max, Rob S, good morning to you guys. Thank you for being here. Board PC Guy, Crypto Same. Sadiq, Dano Crypto. Are you going to YouTube jail? Empire Trades, good morning to you. Good to see you, Richard. Derek, Donato Cabrera, Luke. What do you think about Sol today? Greetings from Germany. We were looking at Sol yesterday. We were looking for a short. We were looking for it to lose structure here. So you still have clear higher lows, so there's no reason to fade this just yet. However, if you do pull down, you're coming back down to 128. So something you guys could look for over the weekend if you do break here, right? And then you have a retest, you can look for that to come down at minimum to the liquidity in all these lows here. Solana looks overextended in my opinion, but a lot of things do right now. So don't get it twisted. That's why you want to wait for this to change, because if you do go, you're gone and you're probably wrecked. So just chopping just like Bitcoin, okay? But if you do mitigate the lows in here, you could be looking for a nice short back down. I would say first target would be in the middle of this range here. So if you just pull a volume profile around here, you can see how choppy it is. So I would just be looking at the middle of the range, 130 psychological level for TP1 right in here. And it possibly could come down to 128, 127. But nothing yet. It's always going to be dependent on what Bitcoin does right now. But yeah, we were looking at that in the Discord, I think yesterday. Mark Dutch. Someone said I should be in YouTube jail in your comments. Oh, that's not very nice of them. Trade Fly, my man. Good morning, bro. Let's see some trade flies in the chat. Some trade flies, some pipers, some snipers, some Tonys. Is Alexandra G here? I'm going to put some Alexandra G's in here. Okay, what else we got? We got some chickens. We got some otters. The gang's here, man. The gang's here. Love it. Make sure we get to everyone here. Lucky Deal, good morning, man. Good to see you. Defiant as well. Have a great weekend, Defiant. Look at that. VWAP slap, guys. Good close on my part. Good close. Quick $60. He wasn't even at the gas station. That's it. What confluences do you use when it's ranging like this? What makes you enter? So when you're range bound, you have to be able to isolate price, right? Like obviously VWAP would have been a nice slap here. We didn't take the short because we were too busy talking. Structure will help you. Isolating price. So whenever I talk about isolating price, you have to identify. You're always trying. What, in my opinion, you're always trying to, where price is right here. You're always trying to isolate it as best as you can. Okay, meaning bringing in key levels tighter and tighter and tighter. Insert rude joke. Towards where your price action is. Okay. And as you do that, you're going to look for price to behave a certain way in those areas that give you the confluence or the idea that it could go in the opposite direction or bounce off of that area. Okay. So, for example, you can see I have my key levels. Okay. Sweep of the highs. We gave this level. Okay. We are looking for a sweep of the lows, a sweep of the lows. Okay. Golden pocket from swing low to swing high, right? Looking for these levels. Once we have an established higher low, I'm going to pull the golden pocket from high to low, and then I'll get some area in here, okay, with liquidity. So I'm always trying to be proactive of setting the traps where price can have a reaction and then take it in the opposite direction. Set the trap, opposite direction, bullish divergence, whatever, sweep of the lows, reclaiming of the lows, you name it. So it's always about taking your hot dog. Okay, you get your big hot dog. Right? You don't want to get noodle slapped. You never want to get noodle slapped. If you want to get noodle slapped, then trade some symmetrical triangles. That's what noodle slapping is. Okay? You want to make this hot dog as small as possible and make good decisions on the buns. Okay? Get paid. Remember, it's a privilege to zoom in. That's why you always do top-down analysis. For right now, this looks like bottoming structure. We got 3 drives coming down. Boom, boom, boom. We have an attempt at a higher high. We have a higher low. We have an initial break on market structure here. We have VWAP in front of us here. If we can flip VWAP, we can look to take this up to what? The liquidity of this range coming down here. First target that high. We can look to take it to the golden pocket of this very small area here. So we'll be looking in here. And just trying to manage our position size along the way. And if market structure tells us we're going the opposite direction, we take our money and we run. But it's it's about confluence at a certain area, right? That's why we don't want to just press buy here. We want confluence at a certain area. We want to try and trade our best with trend. I should have shorted yesterday. I flipped short. I got stopped out yesterday on the live, and then and then flipped short, made lots of money. Then I flipped long, made lots of money. So you got to be wrong fast, and then be right most of the time, right? Well, at least you could be profitable. Like, depends on your R multiple, right? You're not going to hit R4s all the time. So you got to be able to take that loss. You got to be able to take the hit on the chin, be able to say, okay, I'm wrong here. Can I be right this way, right? It's not easy. If it was easy, everybody would do it. Melissa, what's going on? Good to see you, Mel. How you been? Safir, good morning. French Toaster, good morning. Donato Caberta, Matthew L. Steve Hickey, good morning. Sup, Daddy Alex? How are we doing? Geronimo, I counter traded you this morning. I have to confess, okay? I counter traded you. I went long when you went short. I'm sorry, bro. I'm not sorry, but like I have to confess, okay? I'm just being honest. Trade Flag, good morning. Shamitris, good morning. Good to see you. Wesley, good morning to you. Darren Does Things, Turbo, good morning to you. No Name. Today is my birthday, brother. Wish me. No Name, happy birthday, man. Many more. Hello, Idol. Oh, come on. Call me Risky Channel. Your granny is 93. That's amazing, man. God bless her. Billy, Mark, good to see you guys. One with Nature. Frost, good morning to you, my brother. Good to see you guys in here. Andrew. Yeah, you guys are great, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Frankie, Fit for Life. TBR. Frothy Coffee Legends. Let's go. Will the mug survive the dishwasher unlike CFs? I don't know. It's print on. I don't use a dishwasher. I like hand washing my dishes. I find it therapeutic, actually. Kind of weird like that. I don't know. I can run it through and let you know. Maybe Army Piper's used it through the dishwasher. He has one. Mayank, Gupta. When I yank too, I Gupta. I'm kidding, man. It's a joke. Welcome, man. Good morning. Thank you for saying good morning. Marta. Hello, everybody. Andrew Ruiz, good morning. Good to see you. French Toaster, Darren. 1 minute for dinner. That's silly. I would give it to new entrepreneurs working hard to help themselves. That's what it's about, man. Am I doing a Discord special am I doing an Easter special for Discord memberships? Why don't we let me think about it. Maybe next week. Maybe we'll do an Easter week discount. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty cheap already, isn't it? 5 traders. Barrage of live streams. Andrew Cameron, good morning. Magic Mike, good morning. Good to see you. Defiant, don't diddle in the middle. That's it. How is the reverse button? Never use it. Close the trade, re-enter the trade. Limit button. Don't use the reverse button, please. What do you recommend strategy for a $500 trading account? I suggest you backtest. So anybody who's new to trading, can you please stop squishing? Is that my lozenger? Sorry. I'll stop. I'll try my best, bro. I'm sick. Anybody who's new to starting trading, you have to define what type of trader are you, right? When are you going to be focused to trade? Are you going to be a swing trader, a scalper, an intraday trader? What is your style? Are you going to do you want to come to the charts for a couple hours, make your money and leave? Do you want to have stress-free swing trades that you manage your risk, right? What does your life look like? Are you working a full-time job? We talk about that a lot in our Discord. We even went over a whole segment here on our live streams that we do constantly. And, what's it like trading with a full-time job, right? And how to do it, right? Because I did it, right? I did it. How to trade with a full-time job, okay? Because I did it. I did it for years. Okay, but you have to have a focus. You need to narrow in on that focus, and you need to develop an edge in the market. Then from that, you can build out. But with $500, I started with $500, $1,000 accounts, and I compounded that account. So you need to manage your risk. You need to be okay with making $10 to $15 per trade, and you need to do that over time. Okay? You should be risking $5 to make $15. And there's no shame in that at all. That's a beautiful way to start. The money will come. But it takes time, it takes discipline. If you don't have the discipline, you're going to fail at this. I promise you that. HFG, thanks for asking. I'm doing okay, man. I'm doing okay. Good morning, Lux, Jeffrey, Oscar, Darren. Good morning to you, man. Thank you for being here. Defiant. Jumped out with profits. Good job, man. Can you tell me how to trade the range on Fartcoin? You got to ask. There's this guy named Wave Cypher. He's the best with the gas coin, okay? Ask the Wave Cypher. He's the Fartcoin connoisseur. Happy Frost Day. Happy birthday. Dishwashers. Okay. No dishwasher. Looks like continuation here. Good morning, wifey. Good to see you, Wick's wife 599. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Too many free pull in this world. You get what you pay for. Yeah, we mostly started charging because we wanted to, like, we were free for over 2.5 years. Discord was free. But, we've brought in traders. We pay the traders. We try to reward the mods. And hopefully it filters people who are serious about it. That's the thing. It's like anybody can post 1,000 charts and trade, but we want a strong, tight-knit community. It's always been the goal. Alex, I am excelling in trend trading but struggling in range. Maybe you shouldn't trade Fartcoin. That's probably your problem. I don't trade Fartcoin. I wouldn't touch Fartcoin with Miles's trading account. because Miles is a good trader. Miles is one of the people who constantly applies himself. If you didn't know, Miles is in our group. He shares. We have a rule. If you're gonna post on our winners wall, you explain yourself, why you took the trade. It's kind of like a trading journal, but I just don't want to see people spamming. Oh, I won this. I'm a baller. But people come in here, they post their trades, why they took the trade. Miles has been right here, starting off the journey to get funded. Right? Great work, Miles. Good to see, man. Look at this beautiful explanation. Django's putting in the work as well, asking lots of questions. Okay. Lots of people just winning, learning, explaining. It's good to see. Bitcoin pushing here a little bit. It looks big, doesn't it? That's what she said, but it's not that big, guys. Okay. Aggressive push through VWAP. Look for the retest now. See if it holds. Liquidity at the highs here. It's going to be some really cheeky trading today, I bet. Nasdaq's on Easter Bunny. Go to USDT dominance. Go there. A little bit of confluence here. Invert your chart. Makes it easier to see. Spies closed today as well. I guess you guys all know this, right? I don't have to tell you. Let me go to the Dixie. Dixie not going to move either. Just the corn, baby. Just the corn. Morning, Matt from Paris. Niels, good morning to you. Froth, Miles, good to see you. Snipers, Hugo. Dave Digital's in the chat. My brother-in-law works at a restaurant in Houston. Magic Mike. King Andrew. Altcoin's running out of gas. All right. Dynastic, good morning. Miles, Wick. You're laying pavers. Yee. Make sure you screed it well and tamp it well. That's all I got to say about pavers. I've done a lot of interlock. It sucks. Empire Trades. Jeff Carlson, good morning. I'm waiting for the shill, Empire Trades. I'm waiting for it, man. I'm sure Sniper's Nightmare is rating too. Retest VWAP and pop. I don't like it. Level, it's on the substrate. Snipers, wait. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. Let's see how it goes here. I don't think... See, this is aggressive. That's why. So we've pushed pretty hard into this. We're retesting highs, trying to push up from here. Well, right now, to me, this looks like – So you failed to continue here. You rolled over. You bull dived. You've pushed once. You're trying to push twice. If you get rejected from here, you're coming down here. Very, very clear. You do have a target here, your previous day close. It's not a big move. VWAP, retest and pop. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. I know I'm a little bit slow today, but it's Easter, baby. We're here. Hanging out with you guys. I should be sleeping in with my Cadbury eggs. Cuddling my wife. Playing with my son, but I'm here. Because me being here allows me to be with them. That's why. That's why. What is your why, right, Billy? What is your why? God bless you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. And it's gone. Yeah, that's it, Paul Caruso. They're trapping everyone. Is Sui bottoming out? I don't think so. I look at Sui quite often. We gave this idea in the Discord. I mean, it's played, but oh my God, painful. Painful, painful, painful. So far, so good. I mean, a lot of pain, in my opinion. VWAP holding. Nice push here. I'm looking for SFP of the highs here. Come on, Corn. Sweep it, baby. Sweep it, baby. That was a pathetic sweep, wasn't it? My God. The weekend, baby. It's the weekend. What are you guys' plans this weekend? You guys have this is good. We were at 33 last week. This is good. We're increasing our profits. So good job, everybody, this week. 8% wrecked. That's not too bad. Sometimes the wrecked part is pretty astonishing. No reason to be getting wrecked. Okay, this is about Sniper's Nightmare. Isn't it your birthday on Tuesday or something like that? Happy birthday, bro. Much love to you, man. Cadbury eggs, yeah. Buck likes the Cadbury eggs because it's, he gets to be a successful builder while doing it at the same time. Wick as well. Happy birthday. Nice. Nice. Break even Barbie. That's good, Sonny. That's good. Chocolate. I like chocolate. Chocolate's My wife loves chocolate. I tell you, my wife loves chocolate. These are not. I don't like these candles at all, friends. Wick's birthday tomorrow? That's awesome. I guess I got to write Wick a poem about otters. I don't know if I'm capable. I don't think I'm capable. I bought a box of Cadbury cream eggs and I'll smash the lot. That's a very British saying. I'll smash the lot. I'll smash the lot to you. Alex's birthday poem. Yeah, that was pretty special. You guys blessed me with your poetry. Dave Digital and Richard Berry. That would be a good we should put them in a room together in Vegas and see, give them a couple pillows or something, Billy. Oh, that's funny. Oh. Stalling out here. Here you go, Wick. I'm not that creative. Chat GPT did it for me, okay? There you go. Otters and possums side by side. Otters bake and possums hang. Together, oh, what a joy they bring. They planned a party in the wood with fishy treats and dancing good. Two furry teams, one perfect day to wish you joy in every way. Happy birthday. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I'm on fire. Nailed it, baby. Alex missed my Easter plan above. What did you say, Piper? What are you doing? I'm going to tell my son that there are 12 hidden eggs in the yard, and if he finds them all, I will give him $1,000. Oh, that is a dad classic, man. That is good. That is good. I love it. That's cruel, but good. The Wicks love possums. I don't know. I tried, man. Happy Friday, crypto farmer. Thank you for being here. 400 people in here, 98 likes. I think we can do a little bit better, guys. A little bit better. I don't think you need to all like the stream, but I'd appreciate it. It's weird. I never once considered taking the day off from the live stream, though. Empire Trades is back. He has an Otter Gang hoodie. I got my embroidered one on too. It's actually really nice. I'm like impressed too. Harry Otter in the Chamber of Crypto. Hello, mate. Harry, you got your Nimbus 2000. My wife's gonna kill me. Bear Divs losing VWAP potential short. This is horrible price action. Let's see what's moving. I don't like this new setup, Piper. Chainlink, Stellar, Aptos, Toncoin. Hyperliquid, Fartcoin. What is the hype about this Fartcoin? Okay, this is the first Fartcoin. Let's look at it. What do we got here on the Farty coin? I did TA on it. Clearly, I've done TA on it. Probably the banter community making me do TA on farts. Oh, this looks so bad. So bad, guys. How could you do this to me? Got the dragon boat pattern down here, guys. Okay, got your oars. You got your dragon boat. Okay, Age of Empires shit right here. This is Age of Empires. Ah. Okay. Retest of previous highs, continuation up. That's it. What? It's inverted, guys. Oh my god. It was the USDT chart. Retest of previous lows, continuation down. Oh, there you go. There's your fart. There's your fart smelly coin setup, okay? Were you guys telling me it's upside down? Wave Cipher. You guys, you got to start your own fart coin trading live streams, bro. Nothing funnier than a fart. That's what me and my wife say. H bars ranging. You think there'll be any volume at 9:30? Anybody? I love you too, Black and Blue. Thank you for being here. Did you like the dragon boat? Age of Empires, right? Right? Don't trigger me. We all know. I know, Wick. I'm the same, man. I'm the same. Zach Z, my brother. Good to see you, man. You must be off work today. God bless you, bro. This is my best friend from childhood, right here, Zach Z. Everybody say good morning to Zach Z. Say good morning, Zach Z. Good morning, wife. Everybody say good morning, Zach Z. This kid, I mean, this man had my back. You know the guy who sits in the passenger seat and just always helping a brother out, man. Good morning, Zach. He's the original OG, man. He's put up with a lot of my bullshit. I'll put it that way. Thank you, Zach, for being a good friend, bro. And damn, he cooks a good steak. We be golfing. We be golfing soon, man. He came in for the fart coin. He's definitely taller than me. Ask Zach. Zach, tell them I'm a midget. It's okay. I don't mind. Zach Zuli ZZZ kept me alive many times. He's short as fuck. There you go. Short as fuck. See? Right there. We can swear. Happy Easter, Zach. God bless you, bro. You gonna see Nona or what? Nono's sick right now. Good morning, Randy. Crypto Billy, I know I've sworn twice. Okay, I'm well aware that I've sworn twice. I'm trying not to swear, but I got 2 strikes. I get 2 strikes, Billy. I know. I feel the glare. Good morning, Randy. How you doing? I have a swear jar, Zach. If I go over 2 swears this stream, I have to add to the swear jar. That's the rule here. I'm gonna be broke. So why didn't we short here? We got bearish divergence, VWAP, losing VWAP, okay? Rolling over here. I want to see the low here taken, and then we can make a decision. That would be more ideal. Because we didn't sweep the highs, there's no reason for me to get short here, okay? This is just a string of higher highs, higher lows. We didn't sweep the high here. Yeah, this could have worked, but I'd prefer confirmation in this kind of bottoming structure here. We do have a rounded bottom here, so this typically gives you a little bit of a whoop, 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 whoop. What would that be? Cup and handle, right? So I would like to see a mitigation of this low in here. If we get that, then we can take this trade. But for now, we wait. Are you in a trade, Alex? No, not yet, man. Just chilling. Then the best FUing vibes for no, yeah. Yeah, he's had a cold for like a week and a bit. Sucks, man. You get old, you don't recover as fast. That's life, right? How's it going, Randy? Are you at 30,000 subscribers yet or what? Randy's at 20.3. Let's go, Randy Hipper. Great job, Randy. 20K. Kicking butt, taking names every single day. You talking about XRP today? I don't mess with XRP. I think Zach has XRP, the banker coin. This is continuation here. VWAP becomes irrelevant as it typically does when we just chop around it. We had a nice downtrending VWAP here, but this is not. There's no vibe here. 400 people in here. Thank you for being here. Happy Easter, everybody. Thank you for supporting the channel, hanging out. I'm going to look at some fart coin here. What do we got on the fart? Is there any fart economics I should know about? It's like, why do people love this coin so much? I mean, I know farts are funny. Triple top right now. V-shaped recovery, continuation, inverse head and shoulders, breakout, retest to previous resistance, breaking down. That's what I see. I'm going to get rid of fart coin on my screen and I'm not going to save it. Can't be bothered. Can't be arsed, as they would say in England. That makes more sense with fart coin. We looked at Solana earlier. Currently long. Sui, nice. Sol. No, we're looking for the short on Solana. However, we said we want a confirmation. To set up this morning, we want a confirmation of a lower low. We want to see the breakdown and retest and then go. Okay. Otherwise, we have continuation, right? Need to mitigate these lows in here in order to flip short down to 128. That's the idea for Solana. Do you think the volatility will pick up at 9:30 or not? What do you guys think? 1 in the chat if you do. 2 in the chat if you don't. It follows market structure and has high volume with large swings. Okay. Wave Cipher, is there any like scam wicks though? I bet you I'll find some scam wicks. Lunar Beaches, good morning. Snotter Gang. Snotter gang. Let's go, baby. I went long in BTC at current level. What do you think? You went long here? My God. Good luck. You're literally in the middle here. Like, I don't know if you could draw it any closer. Could work. I wouldn't be longing here. Where would you put your stop loss? I'd put your stop loss under this or you got golden pocket here. So if you go under this low, then you're still at risk. I'd be cheap. I'd put it under here. What do you guys think? It's going to pick up? 1.5. No price action, morning stream, no macro or markets. But Donald Trump could tweet, bro. We always got to be prepared for the Donald Trump. That's why we have Miles Trump power in here. He knows all about the Trump power. Twos. JR's giving the hopium. Thanks, JR. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being here. One, two, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Did you know Zach Z? You know Zach Z can beatbox too? Zach Z, family friend. He is family. Happy Easter to you and the family, brother. I'm out getting ready for Easter lunch. God bless you, Zach. We'll talk soon, Bello. Ciao, caro. Have a good one, bro. JR can freestyle. Did you know that? JR is going to get on the mic. Or drop it like it's hot. I'm a nice dude with some nice jeans. See these ice cubes? See these ice creams? Edible bachelor, $1 million boat. That's wetter than what's spilling down your throat. Let's go, baby. Tony Soprano, Wu-Tang Clan ain't nothing to with. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good fun, man. Good fun. Tradefly in the chat. He took that short off VWAP with bearish div on the prime oscillator. Stop loss and entry already. Good job. Good job. Tradefly. Good morning, Tradefly. Good to see you, bro. How you been, man? I know you're working too hard. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, everybody, man. God bless you all. Okay, we've mitigated that low. That's what we were looking for, everybody. Mitigation, situation. Slow it down for Billy. When the night and the lamps gone. I gotta learn some Elvis for you there, Billy. I'm falling in love. In the ghetto, Lunar Beach's crypto 20 gifted memberships. I cannot ignore this. My man. Yeah, get another lozenger. LBC. Everybody LBC. 20 gifted memberships. Lunar Beach's crypto. Who's here and who is lurking? Romit. Lurker. Nathan Lurker. Inuyasha. I remember that TV show. Lurker. L Coops. Lurker. No, you've said good morning before. Dat dang dude again. Lurker. Bernard. Lurker. Arjun. Lurker. Neil Shorts. I don't think you're a lurker, but I'm going to call you a lurker. Raven Lurker. Crypto Gamer. Lurker. Potato. Lurker. Pratik Lurker. Aran McLean. Lurker. Lee Ramsey. Good morning, Lurker. Tex-Mex Biomax. My man. Good morning, man. How you been? Good to see you. Tony Montana. Uh-oh. We have Tony Soprano and Tony Montana in here. Lurker. I didn't know we had Tony Montana lurking in the background there. Min Kurong. Lurker. Marco Lurker. Big Don Lurker. My God, lots of lurkers getting memberships, man. I don't know how I feel about this. Welcome, lurkers. If you're not a lurker, say good morning. Pietro, good morning. Randy, good morning. Trade Intuition, good morning. Honda Man, good morning. Crypto City, good morning. Good to see you, man. How you been? Lunar Beach's crypto in the house. Thank you so much, Lunar. God bless you, bro. Happy Easter. I'm a master lurker because I've got too much worker going on right now. What's going on, Brumbelow? Good to see you, man. God bless you. Happy Easter, man. LBC, Brumbelow, Randy. All the fams coming through today. Crypto Cheek is the lurker. Good evening, Armit Gupta. Thank you for being here. Good morning to you. God bless, man. Good morning, Max. Good morning, Halogen. Jakes, good morning. Jakes, what do you think about this price action? Jakes always has a good analogy of price action every day. Lurker, I've listened to about 3 of your shows this week. Does that make me a lurker? I haven't. The keyword here is listened. I just asked people to say good morning. That's all, Crypto Gamer. Thank you for being here, man. Good morning. Paper Planes in the chat. Absolute dog. Yeah. Good morning, Pondering. Good to see you, Jakes. Saphir, good morning. Paper Planes, my man. Gang, gang. Good to see you, bro. Oh, Junior, 5 gifted memberships. Let's get after it relentlessly, baby. Let's go. Froth, dog, billionaire. Let's go. Froth is always here as well. I'm happy Froth got a membership. That's awesome. Origins Oculatos Lurker. Cheng Tom. Welcome, Lurker. General Lurker. He's a general lurker. That's too easy, man. Akshay Patel Lurker. How do we get those memberships? They're just on here, man. People gift them out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The secret of 9. Okay, do you guys have you ever heard of that theory with price action? So 9 candles in a row. 9 candles in a row creates a reversal. Have you ever heard of that theory in trading? Anybody? Put a 1 in the chat if you've heard of that. 9 candles. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9 green candles up to the top here on the 5-minute. Have you ever heard of that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip that one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Reversal. Has anyone ever heard of that? 9. Yeah? Yeah. I've never traded it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're at 7 right now. Pretty crazy. I don't use it. I've heard of it. I've heard of it. Swing gain theory, yeah. Let's ask ChatGPT. What is a 9 candle in a row? It's TD Sequential Serum by Tom. Here it is. Okay. I asked ChatGPT. At least we can learn today. Price action's absolute dog poop. It's TD Sequential System by Tom DeMark. The key idea is that when the market prints 9 constructive candles in the same direction, the trend may be exhausted and a reversal or pause could follow. You get 9 bearish candles in a row. Each candle must close lower than the candles 4 bars earlier. On the 9th candle, the market may be oversold. Look for a potential bounce or reversal. ChatGPT is cool, eh? Sell setup. Bearish reversal, 9 green. Each candle must close higher than the candles before. Yeah. 9th candle, reversal. Okay. I don't know if I trust it, guys. I don't know. This is 8. We're taking it, okay, guys? We're taking it on 9. This is 8. This is the 3-minute. The 3-minute doesn't have it. The 5-minute has it. We're taking it on 9. I don't care. We're taking it on 9. We're taking it on 9. If we continue, we are taking it on 9, guys. This candle, if this candle closes bearishly, we're taking it. If we make money off this today, I'm going to laugh so friggin' hard. I love it. We'll see. Uh-oh. We're in trouble, guys. We're only at 8. It's still got to close bearishly. Andrew Cameron's got the GANs. Oh, yeah, the TIA, yeah. GAN swinger indicator to watch for it. Nice. We could be in trouble here. We're getting a bounce. We need one more candle close, everybody. It's going to run away, of course, on the one candle we need to close bearishly. Of course it's going to run away, everybody. Mr. Z. Mr. Z. I don't know how you go. Good morning, Jeanette. Good to see you. Milan. Good morning. Milan has said good morning before. EduTech has not. Lurker. Dreamers. Lurker. Orak Galak. Lurker. Karsten. Lurker. Jared Poole. Lurker. Stacky. Lurker. Par. Lurker. Michael B. I believe you've said good morning before. Rico. Lurker. Just when we found out the perfect strategy, they're gonna rug us, everybody. After all that hard work, I've got a Wick test right now. Wick test, possible short. We didn't get our 9 candles in a row. 8-minute Wick test here. Could possibly take this down to the golden pocket. Ugh. Am I splitting hairs? I think I'm splitting hairs. I was about to enter this. Let's see how it plays. I don't want to rush this. We have mitigated the low like I was looking for. So this would have been the play. We would have gotten short right here for a Wick test on the 8-minute. Let's see how it plays, though. It's always good to kind of like I see it. It's there. I mean, I saw it on the 5-minute, but I can see it on the 8. So it's a Wick test. You get a candle. You're retesting the second candle's wick here, right? You're retesting here. And then you typically continue down. $9.20. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Happy Easter. I mean, not a heck of a lot going on the chart, so I do appreciate you guys coming and hanging out. Good morning, Pixel. Good morning, Zed. Thank you for the gift of memberships, man. Listicle. Lounge. How are you, sir? I'm sick, but I'm okay, man. Thanks for asking. They're watching the stream. You think so? I don't think they're watching the stream, Lunar. We ain't that cool, man. We ain't that cool. I think Nicholas, what's going on? Good to see you. Paul. Golden Pocket. If I went short here, first TP would be actually sweeping this low here. Okay, because we never swept it. Then I'd be looking Golden Pocket. I would like to see higher though. If I was going to short, I'd like to see back into here. That's just me. It's kind of a low wick test, like. But hey ho, a wick test is a wick test. You can't. Anybody take the wick test? I mean, you're gonna. The problem with this one here, it's like a little bit. It's a little bit low. Meaning like this move here is a little bit exhausted, like we were talking about with that 5 to 9 minute 9 candles on the 5 minute, right? So you're a bit exhausted. So taking this is very aggressive. You'd much rather take the wick test higher up. That's me. It's typically sniper entry, so like very cheap trade typically. Have an amazing weekend. Defiant, thank you. Chunky candles. Are we long? Got distracted. No, we're not long or short. We're just talking about a wick test trading strategy we take sometimes. The wick test, you prefer volume, right? You need volatility. You want to see it. You want to see it slap and go, right? It's one of these. So a wick test, very, very simply. That's what you're looking for. You're looking for price, 3 candles, come back, retest that wick, and continue in the same direction. That's the wick test. Works in the opposite direction too. So far so good, right? I mean, guess I'm able to teach you guys something. I mean, the Otter Gang family knows about this. We did a whole session on it. Very scalpy trade. Effective though, especially if price is running away from you. Thanks for being here, Fabio. God bless you all. It's very nice to watch you today. Thank you for being here, man. Maya, appreciate you, Alex. Take care of that throat. Yeah. Thank you, Maya. I appreciate you. Never add to a losing trade if it wasn't the plan in the first place. That's the rule. That's the rule. Would you add to a losing short with an even bigger position size to try and sell out at the bottom of the range to recoup losses, or you wouldn't add, man? I wouldn't add. Manage risk. Manage risk. If you're overextended, there's ways to. If you're in a trade here and let's say you're underwater, you should have had clear invalidation points. You're trying to be right all the time. That's your problem. It's okay to be wrong in trading. It's okay to be wrong as long as you manage your risk. Okay? So you're doing one of these. And you're praying that it goes back in. And you're looking to bring your size back in. For me, excuse me, if you're underwater here, you should have a maximum loss. Define that maximum loss. Then look to possibly take partials out. So take whatever your initial stop loss should have been, whether it's $5 and you're down $10. So if you come back and you take that 5 out right away. So you reduce your exposure. And you can wait a little bit if price action. But as soon as price action goes against you, you should not be in that trade. There's ways to mitigate it, but at the end of the day, it comes down to not having predefined risk before entering a trade, not having a plan before entering the trade, thinking it looks good, which is always detrimental. Looks like the Wick test is playing out. Market's not opening in 2 minutes, but market opens in 2 minutes. Rolling over here. Big volume here. That means big rejection down. See the sellers coming in. Andrew Cameron says the only person that's always right is the wife. Hey, Moose. Up or down? Up or down? He says down. She said down. Wasn't me. I didn't say it. She said it. Is Polkadot a buy in your opinion? No. There's no reason to buy alts until Bitcoin confirms bullish market structure on at least a 12-hour time frame. Friends, creamers. Hi, I'm new here. Very nice. Very much like your streams and considering to buy a Discord membership. Can I ask what it is that makes your Discord different from other crypto Discords? I mean, ask the people who are in the Discord. I mean, I suggest you come over to the free section and hang out. We were free. I mean, it's $49, so it's not as expensive as everyone else's. But we were free for 2.5 years. We all are traders helping traders. You get live streams. You get teaching sessions. I'm active in it all day, every day, answering your questions. You get my trading strategies. You get Kyle's momentum trader. You get Brewberry's smart money concepts. You get CVOs, swing trading, pivots, bat patterns, shark patterns. You get HRJ, swing trades, signals, even trade flies in here right now. We're built on kindness. We're not douche canoes. We want you to win. Sometimes we're pretty stern with you, wanting you to be better. Constant lessons. Constant. You can go through this. You can spend a day in here. Catered lessons to everybody. Chat with Alex. Slam Banjo asked me about trading last night. I gave him, or doing taxes. I just tried to help him out, and he said, "You do an incredible job. It is a treat to see you grow. Always quick to help." So I don't know. We do our best to try and help everybody do. We want you to win. We want you to build a life of freedom and purpose through trading. That's always been the goal. Bunch of beautiful degenerate otters. Look at everybody who says good morning in the morning. Look at this. This shows you everybody here ready to win, work on themselves, kick ass, take names. You get setups, you get TA, constant barrage of TA, constant updates. Brewberry, constant setups. Kyle, constant setups. CVO, constant setups. I don't know what else you would want. It's pretty awesome. You get memes too, says French Toaster. Didn't mitigate the low here. Pushing back up. Market is open, but it's not really open. Okay. See if the volume does pick up here. We did have a little volume spike. But yeah, I mean for the price, I don't see anybody who competes with it. But we are biased. I'm not a salesman. I'm not a guy. I mean, I trade. I come here, I press buy and sell successfully, and I try to show you how to do it. That's it. Yeah. I think just watching Wave Cipher trade the fart coin's worth the money. I'm sitting. That's what I'm in right now. This would be a sitting position. Look for an SFP of the lows here. The Wick test is going to take 8 hours to play, not 8 minutes. $15-minute trigger wave here. This could push. If we get an SFP, this could push pretty hard. So if we SFP down here, if we come boop, that would push really hard. We'd come probably up to here. I'm interested in that. If we SFP the golden pocket, that would be the one that I would look for today. Got a little bit of a shoe pattern going on here too. With the shoe pattern, you want to see the SFP in here, and then you want to go. I don't know if you guys know about the shoe pattern. That's the shoe pattern. It's basically a sweep of the lows and then trickle down. What happens with the shoe pattern, you come up, you put in this big wick down below. That's your heel. And then you chop. And then either you bullish divergence in here and you go higher low and continuation, you take the trade there. Or you SFP and you bounce and you take the trade here. Very good bottoming pattern. I just like to call it a stiletto pattern. That's what I see. I don't know what you guys see. But because this it's all about speed, right? It's all about this price action happens so quickly. What does that do on an oscillator, everybody? And what does this do on an oscillator? When you have fast and slow price action, it creates divergences. So you have fast and slow. Okay? Right? So it creates divergences for you to get going. Okay? All divergences are fast and slow price action, right? Price moves up quickly and then goes like that, and then your oscillator moves like that, right? And you get divergences. That's all a divergence is. The oscillator can't keep up. Or the oscillator is pushed so far down over time, right? This takes forever, creating a deep wave or a deep RSI or a deep whatever oscillator you're using, and this one's quick. It's just time. We should be playing games or something. I've posted you a Viking boat in the Discord for your fart coin chart. We like to have fun too. There we go. Bro, mine was identical to that. So I'm going to copy that. We'll go back to fart coin for fun. I should have kept that drawing, eh, Sniper? That's it. Bitcoin pushing here, sweeping the highs, coming back down. Got some volume here. Got some volume here, everybody. My God. Sweeping the lows. Come on, baby. Sweep those lows. Sweep those lows. That was a liquidity grab coming back up in here. Oh my God, I'm excited. Love it, Sniper. Yes, I let you know when I enter. Of course I do. Especially because the delay is like half an hour. Imagine the delay was like 2 minutes. You know what I think I'll start doing? I don't know if I can do this. Can I put the stage on for the Discord members so that they get it live? I think I can. Can't I? I don't want to do it. I'll do a test run. And then they can have me actually without a delay. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do that, and they can be in the chat, but they have the live session going on. Maybe we do that, eh, Discord? 0 delay. And I'll stream my trading charts. Damn, I would have to charge $400 a month. Joking. I'm joking. It's got to be the delay's got to be at least 20 seconds. Seven-second delay on my clock. Chili's got me timed. Chili's got me timed. The phone delay is bigger than desktop. I try to give warnings. That's right, Dave. I do. I try to say, oh, I'm looking to enter here. Oh, I might take a stab here. 7-week delay in Ireland. Let's go. You can copy whatever you want, Khalid. You're a grown man. This is never financial advice. I'm just here trying to make money myself. I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. Anybody see a valid trade set up in here? Anybody? What do we got? This is a bear flag. We could draw a megaphone pattern. I think Sniper's Nightmare likes megaphone patterns. I'm kidding, bro. I know you don't trade no megaphone pattern. I'm looking for this. That's it. Can we come for the golden pocket? I mean, we probably come for these lows in here, 84,000. The wife said down. Remember, the wife said down. That's all I got to say. We got 500 people in here, man. You guys need to go touch some grass. It's a long weekend, and you guys are hanging out with me. I do appreciate you guys being here. If you're new here, welcome. We're here live 8 till 10 a.m. We're 5 for 8 this week trading. We had a good start to the week. And then a couple hiccups the past couple days. Maybe that's the sickness. I think it's a little bit of market conditions too. It's pretty choppy. Coming down here. Sweet Bitcoin. Come on, baby. It's volatile and it's choppy, so not easy trading here. The wife said down. She was right. That Wick test played nice, didn't it? 8-minute Wick test, cheap trade. I mean, unless you got wicked out by this thing, right? Below VWAP, rolling over right now. She cursed us. Good morning, Luke Zaldana. How you doing, brother? The paint is dried already, just a sub. Yeah, there is liquidity below us. Gotta ask TradeFly. He knows where the liquidity is. He's a liquidity master. Giovanni, good morning. Wild Berries, good morning, man. How you been? I'd be at work. Nice. 84 360 reversal. Yeah, we're looking for that 618.65 golden pocket ratio right in here. We got orbs locked in. Thank you, Colin. Mitigated this low here. Equal lows down here. Breakdown retest. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. We're almost at 12,400. That's really cool, guys. Thank you. I do appreciate you guys subscribing. Are you recommending any coins to consider enter on long term? Not right now. Not right now. I want to see Bitcoin take 90K and then we look for continuation strength. I'm not in the altcoin. Not until we get above here. We close above here on like a 12-hour. We rockin'. Otherwise, we're sideways. Stuck on our big volume nipple. I bought Bitcoin at 81,000. But that's long term stuff, you know? What streaming platform do you use for streaming? Streamlabs? Doing good. Good to hear, Luke. Nice bounce here. You got 3-minute camel toe pattern. My wife must hear me say these things and be like, what the beep is he talking about, man? Camel toe pattern. Like I said, I like this continuation here. 24 is doing the same thing. Not low enough though, man. Got to go lower, but we may not get it today. Gotta run. God bless, Billy. Have a great weekend, man. You and the family. Happy Easter, bro. This is hard. So today what we're looking for, we got a Discord live stream. We can maybe do a lesson or something like that. We're looking for this. Want to go off confirmation. Okay, otherwise we're continuing to roll down. I'm not going to force it today, guys. It's pretty pathetic price action. You guys know that. I don't got to tell you. Liquidity below us. Liquidity at the highs here still to be taken. 82,700 is our target for the downside. Trying to get above 86.4. Range bound chop, baby. Don't force it. Trade safe. all those good things. Thank you, everybody, for the beautiful gifted memberships, hanging out all week. It's been a good time. I do appreciate you guys supporting the channel, hanging out here. May you all have a beautiful Easter. God bless you guys, and we'll see you guys on Monday, okay? Have a wonderful weekend, and bye for now. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter gang with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket